blue, not blue. Oh my god. Yep, he got excited and clicked his toy. Is that, you see, I don't know if that's a roach because I can't see. Oh my god. Moko, 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 moko. Key. Yes, may I help you? You want to say hi to the camera? You want to say hi for being so nosy? Come on, get in the frame. Get in the frame. Hey. Hey guys. Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is some very good water. It is just like drinking juice, right, look? It reminds me of the Kool-Aid that you have to twist off. It's in a plastic bottle. You twist the top and then you just chug it. So it's not like the authentic Kool-Aid, but it's just low-key fake, but it's still good at the same time. That's what this water tastes like. Today's video is gonna be the Empties video. I got a few products in this bag. My dog wants it so bad. Lucky, sorry, my dog is distracting me because it's gonna start barking like any second. Okay, well, before it starts barking, let's just get started into this Empties. Hey, no. You're gonna see a whole lot of Clinique because I used to work for Clinique. I'm actually running out of all my skincare, so instead of buying high-end skincare because ain't nobody got money, I'm actually buying drugstore skincare. What? I need something that's going to basically take away, stay consistent, and treat all at the same time. Clinique wasn't for me. Ooh. This is the Clinique Acne Solutions Cleansing Gel. I can't really complain about this. I felt like it did do its job, but at the same time, I still have pimples that show up. So to me, does it truly work? The second step of the acne solutions of the Clinique line is the clarifying lotion. Would always feel a little harsh, like I had to immediately go in with moisturizer. That's why I'm kind of concerned with this. I'm like, did it truly take everything out of my pores? Probably not, because I could still keep going and going and going. There's still something, either still makeup on my face, still dirt, whatever the heck. And I'm not gonna purchase this again. I'm gonna try a drugstore regimen. A 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. Just a clear gel to set your brows in place after putting either powder, gel, whatever on them. It's goopy, like I'm not into it. My hairs will stay in place. Just look at the mirror and move them back. Like, it's not that big of a deal. So no, I will not repurchase this. Sample of the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating Gel Moisturizer with Aloe. This is for blemish prone skin. Downfall on this piece of crap. The smell is horrible. It smells so strong, but it smells like flowers that are dying. That's exactly what it smells like, flowers that are dying. So it's like, you know, it still smells a little pretty, but it's kind of like got this stink smell. Yeah, I don't know if it really treated the blemishes. The consistency was very jelly, so that's a little eh. Oh man, I'm so sad about this. I finished one of my Kat Von D's, and I actually got it last year around Christmas time. Yep, Christmas time is coming up. The Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner. This is in shade Lolita. Gave you that nice mauve nudish base. And it's very smoothing. So that way when you're putting on a lipstick and it fades away, you have that base. Because it's all about that base, Is that the song? This whole entire tub of Clinique Moisture Surge 72 Hour. I purchased this again. I'm going to say no. Because, especially for this, I got it for free. But for this exact size, 1.7, oh, this is $39. Don't get me wrong, it lasts me like about 6 months plus. Let's be real. It's not worth it because all this does at the end of the day is hydrate you. It does not do anything besides hydrating. What I want my moisturizers to do is be on a nice low budget for someone that don't got money to actually treat all at the same time. Part of the Acne Solutions line from Clinique. And this is a tiny baby sample that is the clearing gel. Use it as a preventer. Let's say right here, the chin area is my issue. Just put this on, and it's a nice cooling sensation, has salicylic acid, and basically it's going to prevent the pimples from showing up. I do recommend purchasing this one. It's pretty great. Everything could be normal, and then this will be your one acne regimen if you don't have pimples like that. That is everything from my Empties. Feel free to enter the giveaway also, that's down below. That is still open. It won't be open for long. Share with friends, share with others. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comments. Tell your friends to subscribe. You subscribe. Share this video with others. Become a part of Yaya fam. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.